This seems more my size. Hey vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Smoke AL85. Alright guys, today I'm looking at the Smoke AL85, also known as the Alien Mini. It comes like this. Slides out like so. This is the smaller version of the Alien. Here's a do not eat packet. Look at it. It's so cute. It does need an 18650 battery, which it does not come with. And you can get this kit for around $50 to $60 depending on where you shop. I will leave a link below. And it comes with the TiaVapes baby. So removing this part, we have a little battery informational, a warranty card, a user's manual, and here are the extra pieces. We have the TiaVapes baby tank right here, a vape band, some spare O-rings, a USB to micro USB cable, and an extra coil. This is a 0.6 ohm, good for 20 to 50 watts, best rated at 30 to 40 watts. Here's a close-up of the coil. It is installed with a 0.4 ohm. This is a 0.6 ohm. Here is the Smoke AL85 or Smoke Alien Baby. It looks just like my regular one. Here is the fire button along the side, the up and down buttons. This screen displays a lot of information. I gotta put an 18650 battery up in here. So you take off this, bam, and you put the battery down in there. I found this readily available in 4 different colors. We have the gold, you have gunmetal, you have stainless steel and red, but just recently I saw a bunch of other colors like blues and pinks and rainbows. I don't know where you can get those yet, but they are either in the works or already out. I'm not sure. This is 71 millimeters by 48 millimeters by 27 millimeters. It is a zinc alloy construction. Now that we have the battery in there, we can go ahead and turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it on. Here's the full matrix screen. It shows the wattage that you're in and the dragging function, normal, soft, or hard. It shows the amps, the voltage, the ohms, the PBC temperature, what mode you're in, and the puff counter, as well as a seconds drag counter here along the bottom. When you try to fire it without an atomizer, it says no coil. So this goes from 1 to 85 watts. It also has TC mode for nickel, titanium, and stainless steel heating elements. It also has memory modes. Temperature mode, it's 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're in wattage mode, the lowest resistance you should go is 0.1, and when you're in temperature mode, the lowest resistance you should go is 0.06. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this tank. It is a 3 mil tank with a 22 millimeter diameter top fill. I am gonna fill it up with some Tropic that I got in my Oster box because it's such a good yummy mango and jackfruit flavor. Now here it is all set up together. See, this is so more my size. The Smoke Alien was a little just too big for me. It was really heavy with 2 18650 batteries. This is perfect. It has all the function of a Smoke Alien, but here, if you're not aware, there I just loaded this on, so it says new or old. So to get into the menu mode, 1, 2, 3, and then you can go into the mode. You press and hold so you can change between wattage, temperature, or memory mode. So we're gonna stay in wattage because that's where I like. Then you can pick normal, soft, or hard. I'm just gonna do normal because I'm pretty sure I'm just normal that way. So that's how you set that. And then again, 3 to get into the different modes. You can go to puffs, settings, or power off. So you just press and hold to do any of that, off or on, but we're gonna stay on. So 1, 2, 3. Here is what the puffs offer. And then again, 1, 2, 3. And in settings, we can do screen time, screen lock, contrast, adjust ohms, or download new firmware. You can adjust the wattages right here by 0.1 increments. If you press and hold both regulatory buttons, it locks. So you cannot fire it, you cannot adjust it. Press and hold to unlock. If you press the fire button and the plus button at the same time, it changes the draw strength from minus set and normal. And if you press the fire button and the minus button, it changes into mode. Also, hitting the fire button 5 times fast locks the device. Those are just the quick setting features. It has that ergonomic design to where it fits in your hand nicely and you can just push the button either way, however you vape, with your fingers or with your thumb. These are the Baby Q2 coils. This 0.4 ohm is good from 40 to 80 watts, but performs its best from 55 to 65 watts. So I have mine set at 55 watts. There's dual adjustable airflow here at the bottom, and I have my airflow wide open. So now that you know pretty much the exact same functions as the Smoke Alien, let's just give this little guy a vape. Wow. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that flavor is so good. That's too, wow. I usually vape at 50 watts, but that's a lot of vapor. Holy crap. I'm gonna turn it down because my airflow is wide open, and that was like, I'm coughing because my lungs filled up faster than I anticipated. So we're going down because I don't even need 55, and that's where it's best rated at. I'm at 50. Oh my god. I just can't, like, it's just like force feeding me the vapor right now. That's the TiaVapes baby, and I tried the TiaVapes and just, it was so much, and everyone's like, try the TiaVapes. So is this the baby because it's just smaller, or like are the coils different? Because if this is what the TiaVapes does, like, oh, it's still a lot for me. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That's so much. Let me put a different tank on here. I can't, like, I'm just so weak. What is it? People called me a noob. I was called a noob on my TiaVapes video because I didn't vape at high wattages and I couldn't handle how much vapor that thing was putting out. So I guess I'm a noob. It fits on. I was worried about that little battery cap, but we're good. This is actually the Scion by Inakin. So let's try this. Much easier. I feel like with this I can control the vapor, whereas the TiaVapes tank line just blasts it into your lungs. And it's still producing great clouds, bitch. So that's all. I wanted to show you guys the little baby, since I did do the Big Daddy one as well. So that's its smaller little baby. If that one was too much for you, you might like this one a little bit better. I will leave a link below to where you can check it out. If you have the Smoke AL80, let me know down in the comments below what you think of it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn on that little bell notification so you don't miss any videos that I upload. I upload daily. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or Snapchat. All those social media links will be below as well. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please consider joining CASA.org and fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.